Are you a skilled novice looking to take your woodworking skills to the next level? Look no further than TedsWoodworking, the ultimate resource for all your woodworking needs. With over 16,000 detailed plans and projects, this Clickbank product is a must-have for anyone who loves working with wood. From simple beginner projects to advanced masterpieces, TedsWoodworking has something for everyone. The easy-to-follow instructions and step-by-step guides make it perfect for skilled novices who are looking to challenge themselves and expand their repertoire of woodworking skills. With TedsWoodworking, you can take your passion for woodworking to new heights and create stunning pieces that will impress your friends and family. One of the best things about TedsWoodworking is its comprehensive collection of plans. You'll find plans for a wide range of projects including furniture, outdoor structures, toys, and even musical instruments. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, there is always something new to learn and create with TedsWoodworking. What sets TedsWoodworking apart from other woodworking resources is its detailed illustrations, high-quality videos, and materials list for every project. Whether you prefer visual instructions or written explanations, TedsWoodworking has you covered. You'll also find helpful tips and tricks throughout the guides that will make your woodworking experience even more enjoyable. But it's not just about the plans. TedsWoodworking also provides valuable information and resources for choosing the right tools, techniques for cutting and shaping wood, and how to properly finish your projects. No matter your skill level, TedsWoodworking will help you become a more confident and skilled woodworker. Click the link in description and get instant access to TedsWoodworking today. With a one-time payment, you'll have unlimited access to the entire collection of plans and guides. No need to pay for each individual plan. Plus, you'll receive free lifetime updates to the plans, ensuring that you always have the latest versions. Still not convinced? TedsWoodworking offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If for any reason you are not satisfied with your purchase, simply contact the customer support team for a full refund. No questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Take your woodworking skills to the next level with TedsWoodworking, the ultimate resource for skilled novices. Click the link in description and start creating beautiful pieces that you can be proud of. Don't forget to share your creations on social media with the hashtag #TedsWoodworking to inspire others and show off your skills. Get started today and unlock your full potential as a skilled woodworker. For more information, click the link in description.